In today's video, we will show our newest innovation in perfume labeling. Meet DomeImpress. It makes luxurious 3D finish for perfume labels. But first, let's start with production printing and cutting with the most innovative machines.
MUTOH XpertJet C641SR Pro is a full-color print and cut machine.
Another option is Max CPM 100 series, a compact print and cut machine. Now we proceed doming with DomeImpress machine. After print, cut, and matrix removed, we start doming manually. Dome in different shapes and sizes.
Doming made easy. Production made flawless and achievable.
Innovation you can feel with DomeImpress's doming technology.
Step ahead with our latest labeling and packaging technology updates.